morning traders, and welcome to today's video. It's day 3 of doing back testing. We've been back testing gold, and today we're gonna try GBP JPY, which is also my favorite pair. So just stay tuned to know between gold and GBP JPY which pair we're gonna back test. Okay, it's my hope that you're doing good in this month of May. And for the new subscribers here, or if it's your very first time to click to this channel, feel most welcome, appreciated. Come, let's grow together. Forex trading is real. Okay, for the OGs, feel most appreciated and always clicking to my videos and watching, right? Let's interact on the comment section. Let me know which video you'd want to see me doing. But for the 2 weeks, we're gonna do serious and thorough back testing, so be ready for that. But feel free to ask any question that you have. Okay, without much talking, let's jump into the video and start our back testing. Today we are analyzing GBP JPY or GJ. And to start with, I have to log into my trading view. Of course, I start my analysis mostly from the daily time frame and scale it down to lower time frame. When it comes to the time frame that you take your trades from, it all depends on yourself, your personality, or what really works for you. Remember, we are all different in the markets. When backtesting, you can either hit TP, hit stop loss, and that doesn't mean you know how to trade or you really don't know how to trade. There is no perfect trader in the markets. Remember, we are all speculators in the market. Backtesting means you go back to the years that have passed. You try and imagine that you are there in that market, analyze the market, replay, and see if it hits your stop loss or take profit. And mostly you learn the mistake that you could have done, because mostly the mistake that you do when you're back testing is the same mistake that you are doing currently in the market. So take it as a lesson, take it as a learning platform, so that you know what wrong you keep doing in the market. Okay, even the big traders get it wrong when back testing, and they also get it wrong when in the real market. Okay, let's not be hard on ourselves. Let's just analyze the market and hope that all goes well. Okay, someone asked me on my IG what's the difference between how does one know that they are a profitable trader. The answer is simple. If you're making profits, and not just profits, you have to make sure that all the trades that you have analyzed for that month, remember you have a trading plan, remember you record your trades, go back and check, how was my analysis this month? How good were my analysis? If my analysis, the analysis that were good surpassed the ones that I got wrong, you are good in the market. Then, did you take the trades? If you took the trades and you made money, that means you're profitable. In short, you can only know if you are profitable if you made more profit than losses. Does someone who blows the account still count to be a profitable trader? Anything can happen in the market. At the end of the day, we are all after making profit, making some money, regardless of whether you're blowing accounts. Why would you blow your account, by the way? Why would you blow your account? So the answer is simple. If you can lose a proper account, you can as well lose your account. But why would you wait until the account is lost? Sometimes it's good to take a break in the market. If you are taking trades and you realize that you're making losses after losses, the first week loss, second week of the month loss, pause, go back test, look at your trades, see where you're going wrong. There's always next month, so don't be too hard on yourself. Okay, it's my hope that you're following what I'm doing, because I have done videos on everything that I'm doing on this video. May it be order block, may it be supports, may it be resistance, may it be liquidity. Have done so many videos so far, but feel free, in case you have any question, feel free to ask on the comment section. Okay, right now we are at 15 minutes. In the previous video, someone told me I explained a lot. I explained too much, such that they really didn't understand. They prefer watching. So whoever you are, hope for this one you have watched, because I've not explained anything to do with this video. But if you have a question, feel free to ask the question on the comment section, and I'll get back to you here on YouTube. Also, don't forget to follow me on all other social media platforms under the same name. Sorry. And we get to connect, okay? So I'm trying to get this supply zone. The market is bullish, in case I didn't mention, and in case you also don't know if the market is bullish or it's bearish, okay? So I'm just about to replay the market and see what we would have done in the market, okay? For those who are asking if I trade news, the answer is no, I don't trade news. And let me not explain that. I don't trade news. I know you trade news, which is okay. Okay? When backtesting, there's nowhere you see me looking at the calendar to see if there was news. So with the strategy that I use, whether there was news or whether there is news or not, I really don't care about news. But if it was the current market, of course, I need to know if there is news, so that I know when to keep off, and also how to place myself in the market. So I'm expecting to take this buy here. I'm expecting the market to come to my point of interest. Then I take a buy. That would be my TP1. So let's replay and see what happens. And one thing with GBP, GPY, be very keen with how you place your stop loss. Not just a GBP, GPY. You know, we trade differently. We all trade on different strategies. But for the strategy that I have, I realize that stop loss placement is a very important thing in the market, because nothing pains more than you analyze the markets, you take a trade, the market buys from where you are expecting, takes you out, and continues buying. What does that tell you? It was either spread or wrong placement of your stop loss. Okay, don't be too mean to the market. So let's see if this market would have given us money, or what would really have happened. So we also have the extreme demand zone. If the market would have broken this level where I have bought from, I would sell to the demand zone, then buy from the demand zone. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying. You see where I took the trade from. Of course, the trade went well, but if price would have taken me out, I would let me see if I can go down to 5 minutes. This 2022, and the markets can't go beyond there. Okay, So I was saying, if market took me out and started selling, I would wait for the market at the demand zone, and you can choose to sell to the demand zone and buy. But for me, I don't take correctional moves, so I would have just waited for it at the demand zone. When you check keenly, the market is almost at our TP and it's dropping down. If you're a trader out there, don't wait for the market to give you all that profit, come back to you, clear you out when you're just watching the market. It doesn't make sense. Once the market moves halfway, break even. If the market goes close to your TP or to your TP, just book that TP. You don't have to hit the full TP so that you beat your chest and say, yo, I made it, I did it. What's the difference between where the market reversed from and where I was expecting my last TP? Very tiny, very tiny. So for anyone who didn't take a profit and didn't break even, let's replay. Let's continue replaying and see if the market would have reversed somewhere along the way or it would have cleared them out. Okay. But for me, if I was in the market, having taken that trade, I'm good to go. I don't need to take any other trade, even if the market comes to the demand zone, not unless I take it on confirmation. Okay. So the importance of having a trading plan is that it guides you. Sometimes you take a trade, you make money, and you don't see the need of taking any other trade, whether it's in profit or not. Sometimes you also go to the market in a certain day, you make that loss, and according to your trading plan, you know that you should not continue taking trades. You just close your laptop, go play, go sleep, go do something different, then come tomorrow. There's always tomorrow in the market. You see what I was saying? If you are still holding that trade, you did not book profit, you did not book you did not break even, it means you did a lot of nothing. Imagine coming to find this. The market went your way, went almost to the TP, cleared you out, you were there waiting for full TP, or maybe you are not near but this market has taken quite some time before it's reached here. So let's just be cautious in the market. And to crown this, thanks a lot for your time. In case you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. We're gonna do back testing back to back because we need to align. We need to know how to align. The J is still young. Don't give up. Whether you've been making losses since January up to date, there's still time. Okay, you can still make a turnaround in your results. Don't be too hard on yourself. Don't compare yourself with anyone. You came to the market alone. Your money is your money. Your loss is your loss. Okay, bye for today. Let's meet on my next video. And if you're interested in classes, or if you're interested to learn Forex, you can email me. My email is always on the description box. Okay, if you liked today's backtesting session, give the video a like, and bye for today.